It is a punishment from nature.
Hello everyone, I'm a flightless bird.
I'm a Japanese white dog. Today I will introduce a plastic model made by a Chinese manufacturer.
I'm a little anxious.
It has a bad image compared to Japanese products, but I will review it based on that.
Okay, let's hear from a poor dog.
Today I would like to introduce a plastic model of the character Nakoruru that appears in SNK's fighting video game. Contents is like this. I think it's about the volume of MG Gunpla. The manual is simple. The composition of the parts is similar to that of Kotobukiya's Megami device.
Is the cute?
This girl is a shrine maiden of the Ainu people, an indigenous people on a large island in the north of Japan that appears in a video game called SAMURAISPIRITS. A girl who loves nature, she fights with the hawk Mamahaha and the wolf Sikuru. This kit does not come with a wolf, but it does come with a hawk. There are two types, white and brown, but one seems to be a privilege of the first production, so please be careful if you want it. Her distinctive weapon can be worn behind the waist. This is the included face part. Some parts are damaged. It's a Chinese product, so it can't be helped. There are plenty of wrist parts. It's similar to Kotobukiya. 2 heads can be made. However, the size of the parts that connect to the neck does not match, so processing is required. Because it's a Chinese product. It's not all bad. You can choose between parts with exposed chest and parts that are not exposed.
Good Chinese.
This is the completed armed mode.
I think it's quite good.
I agree. There are some molding defects and there are steps in the alignment, but the overall appearance is not bad.
How much did it cost?
I think it's about $65 including shipping costs from China.
It's about the same as your daily salary.
Whether it's worth the price or not depends on the person, but I think it's a good product for those who like Nakoruru and those who like the design.
It seems that it will look better if it is partially colored. This was just assembled without doing anything.
It also comes with effect parts that let out the blade of the beam from your hand. By the way, Nakoruru is a very popular character among Japanese otaku from the 90s to the present. Her breasts shouldn't be this big in my old-fashioned impression, but it's a shame that this plastic model is big.
The dog has begun to say something unpleasant, so let's finish it.
Whatever. Thank you for watching till the end. See you soon.